Hi everyone, hope you're all doing okay. So I am back just to do a very quick video. This is just a little digital pack that I've put together, and it's all postcards, but they're faded floral postcards. I had used these ones in the little journal that I'd done the other day when I done my craft with me, making the little garden journal. So I'd shrunk them down. You can actually get them, they're slightly bigger than this, but I've got them just the size that I need them for what I'm going to be using them for, but they are slightly bigger. So you get 4 on a page. There's 6 pages and a total of 24 postcards altogether. So that is the first page. You can see that. And then we've got some sunflowers, because who doesn't like a sunflower? And then we have some birdies, because who doesn't like a birdie? And like I said, they're all faded into the background. Then we've got some more blue. I kind of loving blue at the moment, that's my thing. Here we've got some pink. And then we've got these kind of a little bit more of a bolder, like red pinks and like a bluey colour postcards there. So that's the little kit. It's not a freebie. I am putting it up for just like £1.25. Them little costs actually help me with my crafting, you know, buying little supplies and things like that. So yeah, this is my latest little kit. I will put a link below which will take you straight over to the listing. You can have a browse through my other little kits that I have for sale and also my freebies. Check them out too. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye for now.